Hi, welcome to SimpanKira tutorial. In this video, we will show to you how you as a user that has role of administrator or HR executive to have access to your employee payslip, and then you can download the payslip and you can do whatever that you want to do with that downloaded payslip. So how do you want to know whether you have the role as an administrator or as a HR? First, you go to the settings, scroll down, go to users, and then you can find your name. Say your name is Hugh Jackman. You scroll down further, and then you see the roles. If the role is administrator, then it's just right for you. But let's say if your role is regular user, and you have an access to human resource and payroll, and you are the HR executive, then you can have the right to access your employee information and download the payslip. Otherwise, you do not have an access to any of the employee information except for yourself. So it's very easy. Go to user, find your name, and then click and scroll down further and find the roles. Okay. So once you have identified which role that you belong to, then if you have the right role, then you can go to human resource, go to employee directory, pick any employee that you want to find the payslip, go and click, go to payslip, and then you can download here. So you can print or you can send email using this PDF payslip to the intended employee. That's how you do if you want to have access to the payslip on SimpanKira. Thank you for watching. Bye.